Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will talk about a nature. It's not about a mountain or a river that you imagine whenever it's about nature. It's all about what you see around in your daily walk, in your daily life. दिल की तरह ज़मीन बगैर बारिश की खाली महसूस होता है। फितरत में अपना मोहब्बत की तलाश करने का पन और सुबह की रोशनी की बगैर जिंदगी का सुनापन। फितरत की गोद में सुकून है, हवा की झोंके में अलग ही जुनून है। फितरत से मोहब्बत करना आसान है, लेकिन फितरत को समझना बेहतरीन है। हर लम्हा को बेहतरीन बनाओ, हर दिलों में फितरत के लिए मोहब्बत बनाओ। Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. The tranquility and beauty of nature have a calm effect, help to reduce stress and anxiety. While walking through the passage, I have seen variety of flowers blooming in their garden, like a work of art. My eyes cannot be taken off with this beauty. It's so adorable and making it a center of attraction. Spending time in nature can help individuals reconnect with their true self. There is a sense of peace and well-being. It heals from emotional and physical stress. It also has a place for inner clarity. Thank you for the fresh air. I appreciate the resource that the nature provides us with. I am grateful for the lesson that nature has taught me about generosity.